What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kalen back again with another video, guys. For this one, we're reacting to rappers if they was in classrooms part 3. Make sure you go check out the other parts that I did. I did react to those videos, so make sure you go check those out. Those reactions were super lit. You guys did not want to miss those, man. There's a video within the description box down below. Make sure you guys go check that out for me. Make sure you smack a like on this video. Make sure you are subscribed. That is the main goal right now. We need to grow our subscriber count, guys. We need to grow it through the roof. I don't know if I said it, but original video in the description box down below. And let's get right into the video.
Alright. Okay, class, let's take attendance. Little Yachty.
He got the thing in his head.
Yeah, it looks like you didn't have us last year. You're actually still in kindergarten. Oh, okay. I'll see you all later then. Yeah. Come on, Wiz. Time to go.
Snoop.
Ski mask, you were absent yesterday. Yeah, you had a doctor's appointment? AIDS?
Yeah,
Cardi B? What? Alright. Oh, yeah, by the way, you got an A+. Good job. Oh, he's so nice. He's nice. Oh. Nicki Minaj, are you okay? Ass cheek vessel. Meek Mill?
He's dissing Nicki Minaj right now.
That's right. I wonder what they talk about. Meek, you've been telling me you've been having dreams and nightmares. Can you tell me something about that? Yeah, I just keep having the same nightmare.
Not Meek. He's in jail.
Back to back to back. Who do you usually see in these dreams? Well, I see no one specific. Yeah. Hi, fellas. It's me, Gucci Man.
How is that? Oh, I get what he's saying. Okay. Gucci Man. Hey, I love that song while y'all playing. Ooh, shots. DJ Academics. Oh snap! The double cup. Future got the double cup. Hey. Hey, this man killing his videos, bro. Jeez.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching.
Okay, guys, it's gonna do it for this video, man. He did a really good job on this one. Original video in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go check that out. The best part was definitely Future, man. That part was amazing. Let me know how you guys felt about this video down in the comment section, man. I do like to know what you guys think. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. We got to grow our subscriber count right now. Every day, every single day, man. And yeah, that's going to do it for this one. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.